Hi everyone, back again with another new YouTube video. These are different caves I found today, not that far from the campsite. These are not the caves I was planning on going to, but I thought I might as well make a video of the beach that's not that far from where our campsite is. How's it looking up there?
Yeah, we've got quite a long way back.
Yeah. So if I went up there, I don't know. Alright, let's have a try at going up where David was. Right, let's go. Oh, there he is. Yeah. An old mine?
Yeah, it's been mined out. You can see where they chipped away there.
Oh, it could be the sea.
No, this has been like purposely carved, which tunnel shape. Especially up here, it's second level.
Now, I'm going to say I'm very good at getting my leg out, but I'm having trouble with this one.
Definitely a portal. Don't know if I go down there. I won't be able to get through there. I'll go a long way back down there.
That's quite
down and around. That's been purposely, you see the shape of it, that's not the sea has done that. You can see the axe marks. There's axe marks here, they're chipped away at it. Bit of stone.
yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but let's turn my light on. It's got good light anyway, but let's see part down there. So again, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but try and record as long as I can. I'm not sure how much memory I've got on this card. Really, really hot. Are you hot?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Glad it's not just me. It's quite a nice little cave. I can quite easily sleep in this if the tide didn't come up this high. So yeah, I've got nothing really interesting to say apart from making this video. You like your caves, don't you?
Yeah. Mines and tunnels.
Anything that's dark and damp, he likes it. Let's turn that off. I don't really need that now. So yeah, it's not really much to see in here really, is there?
It's got a long way back down and around, curves around. Once you go all the way around.
Yeah.
If you be mined out, you see
So yeah, it probably goes up through there. Right, I'm going to start making my way down because David can't move until I move. So where am I? Here I am. Oh, no. I'm about to sit down my bum on this one. That's it. Don't mind getting a sandy wet bum. It'll dry. Right, this bit's going to be fun. Just be careful, David, because that is very slippery. Like this bit here, just be like that bit there where you are is just very slippery. Doesn't look it, but it is. You right? Yeah. Just a little bit slippery, isn't it?
Everything's on the beach already.
Yeah. Lovely. So we're going to make our way to the town. Thought I'd make a nice little video. Why not? It's quite nice, isn't it? There comes the other fun bit. Right. Now, watch Jamie, he makes it look so easy, but when I do it, it's hard work. That's it. Oh, it's very warm today. Hotter than a tick under a dog's armpit. So that's that bridge we crossed last night. And we walked all the way along there, all the way up there, and on over to the other side. All the way along there. Ooh. Ooh. So yeah, that was quite a nice little walk last night. I'll show you, see if I can show you. No. No, perhaps not. It says it's going to be 20 degrees today, but it's hotter than 20. A lot hotter than 20. I'm going to go this way. Sometimes it's not always best to follow David. You want to stand in the shade for a bit? Yeah, the weather people say it'd be about 20, but it feels a lot hotter than that. Don't know. So I'll try and keep it under 15 minutes if I can on the video. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment and all that. So I'm not going to really talk much in this video, I just want you to enjoy the scenery and the sea and the birds and I think David's got an idea. I think I'll call it quits on this video now. So I'll see you guys in the next one.